So if you have always wanted auto-dimming rear view mirror, now is maybe the time to get it for your Saab, since these cars are getting scrapped left and right. These kinds of optional extras are now fairly cheap from these scrapped cars, and now I finally can afford the upgrade for my Saab, as we can see here, with the manual auto-dimming. So yeah, it maybe looks a little bit more premium with this auto-dimming rear view mirror, and since it's just this super simple installation that maybe takes maximum 5 minutes, I could absolutely recommend you buying one and installing. So you take off those cores in the top there. Preferably you just take off those 2 black screws that you see there, because you need to do that before installing that cover for the lights. And then you will have this connector actually pre-wired up there. So the only thing you need to do is connecting the connector on your auto-dimming mirror to this connector here, and it will work. I had actually my previously, when I had a dash cam, it was hooked up there because there's power there, but now I have this auto-dimming rear view mirror. So they are made by the same manufacturer, and the manufacturer still is not bankrupt like Saab, which is cool. Even on this manual one you see that hole back there for the light sensors. But you don't have this manual function as we see here. It's electrically driven, and I have to say it's fairly nice comparing it to the manual one. You maybe get a little bit less distracted, so the next thing maybe were to change the side mirrors to auto-dimming, but I won't do that because they cost like, a new mirror itself costs like $300 a piece, and they break after some time. And personally, I think the rear view mirror is the most distracting when it comes to glaring and blinding lights from the rear. My side mirrors isn't always like angled, so the light actually hits my face, but the rear view mirror is. So yeah, that was just a simple video on how to upgrade your car.